Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove watermark from our video using InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my InShot, and for example, I'm going to remove this watermark from my video. If we want to remove the watermark, we have to duplicate this video. You can click on the video and then you can go to the duplicate option. Click on duplicate and I'm going to make it as an overlay. We can go to the switch. Okay, and I'm going to adjust the position like that, and I'm going to click on my second video and I'm going to put mask. You can go to the mask option, and then I recommend you to choose the circle mask. Okay, and then adjust the size of the mask, and I'm going to take another part of my video to cover the watermark. I'm going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover the watermark, and I'm going to click on this check mark and we can drag the mask to cover the watermark. Okay, and to make it more natural, you can apply filter or adjustment to your video. You just need to go to the filter right here, and then I'm going to adjust the lightness. Okay, now it's done, and now the watermark has been removed from my video. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.